All right, this is a vacuum circuit breaker. High voltage leads, a source, and the load, and there's the vacuum bottles. And when the breaker closes, you can see that movement right there. Because an arc can't survive in a vacuum, there's actually very little movement and separation needed with these vacuum circuit breakers. So you'll see that contact move, but it's, I don't know, it's probably around an inch or so. It's not very much that it takes to break that arc and for it to stay apart inside the vacuum bottle. And this is de-energized and grounded. All this stuff is grounded.